These springs down here?
Yep. There they are. All right, this is the flywheel for the 454 crate motor. That's how it came in, because the motor had been sitting around for a very long time, so it just sat there and rusted up. I'm going to run it through here and get the rust off of it and some of the dirt dauber nests.
Is that the way you want it to look?
Oh, it looks a whole lot better.
Mm-hmm. You gonna run it again?
I might run it for just a couple more minutes.
Okay, good job.
Well, did you turn that light switch off?